to go kayaking.
My life jacket.
Let's see your life jacket. Show the camera. Oh, that looks good, huh? Yeah. We're ready to rumble. Okay, let's go kayak. So what are we doing, Lois?
Yeah, kayaking.
Sit back. Seeing what's at the bottom and what's at the top. The water's very green and full of jellyfish. What a beautiful day. Have a look here. One of my absolute favorite things in the world is coming down to the beach in the evenings here in Kantab. We've just got some new... Oh wow! That is cool. Yeah, go find some more. And we've got kayaks now, so you can go a little bit further with kayaks and little beaches like this that never get seen. Let's see. Oh, that's a good one. Try and find some more. You know, living near the sea, I think that you have to do things like this. If you choose to live by the sea, engaging in the water and the sea is an absolute must. It's like, it's therapeutic and it's healing for the soul. You know, I've lived most of my life at sea level.
Let's go for a swim.
You want to go for a swim?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Daddy, see, we should go deeper and check it out me. Check out what I'm doing.
What are you doing? Yeah, that's good.
Hello, everybody.
It's sunset behind me, absolutely stunning. What do you think of the sunset, Lois? Look there, look at the camera. What do you think of the sunset?
Cool.
Beautiful, hey?